So I let my garage door down on my truck, let the garage door up, and did not realize what I was doing because I wasn't paying attention. I just knew the garage didn't close. I didn't back in far enough. Anyhow, so fast forward, here's me today. I am determined to fix it because I don't like the way it looks. There's a big gap at the bottom of the garage door, and I definitely have to figure out how to fix this. The hammer, I got most of the bent up areas out of it, and I got this board, tried to beat it some with the board, figured I could hit some of the kinks out. That didn't work either, so I just kept trying. So I dug around a little bit more, then I noticed there was a screw sticking up through the bottom, through the little rubber part. So I got me a little knife, cut me a X in the knife or a little T crossway, got the drill again, figured I'd drill some screws in it, kept trying. The first screw didn't work, second screw didn't work. And I was really ready to throw in the towel, but I am not a quitter. If at first you don't succeed, try again. If you don't succeed, try some more. Anyhow, I finally got it. I ended up using the wood screws. And look at there, y'all. It is fixed. I'd already texted my daddy pictures of it and asked him to help me fix it. I didn't really want to bother him. And I figured that he's giving me the tools I need to kind of figure this thing out. So, yeah. I finally got it. Look at there, look at there, look at there. And the garage door is fixed now. There's no gap at the bottom. There's a little small crack, but I'm not worried about that. I did it. Case closed. I feel like a winner. Little country girl. We're going to add garage door repair woman to the list. I did it. Look at there. The drill bit came off. Put it back on. My daddy taught me well. I am Gus's daughter. Signing out.